Unveiling the joy. The meaning of throw the confetti. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a vibrant and joyful phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or celebrations: throw the confetti. This expression is not only about literal confetti but also carries a deeper, more figurative meaning. So, let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and the joy it brings to both language and life. Confetti are small pieces of colored paper that are thrown during celebrations, especially weddings or parties, to express happiness and joy. When we say, throw the confetti, we are literally talking about this act. It's a way to mark a moment of celebration, victory, or any significant joyous occasion. This act is universal in many cultures, symbolizing good wishes and happiness for the person or people at the center of the celebration. Beyond the literal act, throw the confetti also has a figurative meaning. It is used metaphorically to express celebration, achievement, or success. When someone says, "It's time to throw the confetti," they mean it's time to celebrate a significant achievement or good news. It's an expression of joy, recognition, and the culmination of hard work or good fortune. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in both its literal and figurative senses. Literal use: at midnight, everyone was ready to throw the confetti to welcome the new year. Figurative use: she just got her promotion at work. It's time to throw the confetti. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting seamlessly into conversations about literal celebrations or metaphorical achievements. The act of throwing confetti is steeped in history and cultural significance, with variations in how different cultures celebrate with confetti or similar substances, like rice or flower petals at weddings. Understanding these practices can enrich your appreciation of the phrase and its global joyous connotations. Throw the confetti is a beautiful expression that encapsulates the essence of celebration and joy, whether we're talking about a literal shower of colorful paper pieces or a metaphorical outpouring of happiness for life's great moments. We hope this exploration adds a little more color to your English language journey and maybe even gives you a reason to throw some confetti in your own life. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to celebrate every achievement, big or small, because every moment of joy is worth recognizing. See you in the next video.